Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob the Rockscale Knives. Today we have something interesting coming in. It says Eclipse Knives. Let's see what we got. I'm not exactly sure. I think I spoke to somebody about something, wanted me to check something out, and I thought, hey, yeah, let's take a look. Alright, today I'm going to be opening up with my Quiet Carry Strandell. Fantastic little knife, love this thing. Alright, so we got some paperwork in there, so let's see what we got real quick. Alright. Looks like a knife. Okay, alright. So it's a big boy. Big knife. Okay. Let's see, what do we have here? Ooh, this has got some weight to it, man. I'm kind of curious what this is all about. Got a little label here. Okay, whoa. Oh my God, this thing, what is this? This is the, what do we call this thing here? The model 180, EK model 180, folding knife. All right, this is gonna be the biggest knife I've ever checked out. Holy cow. Oh my God. It's this automatic, hold on. How does this open? Whoa. Oh my God, this thing is huge. It is huge. We gotta just measure it. I'm sorry, this thing is awesome. I don't know, it's just crazy. Okay, if we go to the glass breaker, we got 11.5 inches. The handle area is 6.5 inches. The blade length is 4 and I want to say 9/16. Cutting length is 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7/16. Wow, this thing is huge. It's huge, and it's a button lock apparently. Okay, so wow, this thing is huge. Now we got a little blade play. This thing is definitely, it's got two, it looks like a simple button here that goes all the way here, and then it locks there. Okay. Wow, this thing is huge. This is just simply huge. My God. Steel liners, G10 looks like. Got a big giant clip, big glass breaker, D2 steel. This is Eclipse Knives. I've never heard of them, but man, this thing is, it's like, I've never had a knife this big in my life. Holy cow, this thing is huge. It's huge. All right. I don't know what to think about this. I honestly don't know. Dead nut center. Let's see here. Okay, no blade play. No pivot lash. Okay. All right. Are we caged bearings? Yep, we are caged bearings. We can definitely see in there. Okay, I just for fun, we've got to see how thick is that. How thick is that blade stock thickness? I mean, that thing is massive. All right, 186 thousandths of an inch. It is huge. All right. You know what we got to do? We got to weigh this thing. I'm sorry. We just have to. We got to figure out how much this thing weighs. This thing is huge. 10 ounces? I don't know. Is it a pound? This is not light. 12.7 ounces. Okay, I've had some big cold steel knives. This one takes the cake. This one absolutely takes the cake. So, there we go. Big old grip. This thing is huge. Okay, so the button here. So, instead of, like, you have a blade stop pin, so there's a blade stop pin, right? And when we close it, that's our close stop pin. Big old back spacer right there. All right, so this could be tightened up, just that's why it's a little loose, because this is loose. Okay. Wow, this thing is huge. All right, so here's the button. All right, let's zoom in here. I don't know if there's going to be enough room for this, but here's the blade itself. Very interesting harpoon, clip point, drop point, harpoon. I don't know what you want to call this, because this is meant to really get your thumb in there. Here's the grip. I can't even get the whole handle in the screen. I'm going to have to zoom out to 2. So there's the handle, and this is the button right here. So see, this is where you release that button, it closes, and it locks there. You release that button, and it closes now. Now, what's that pin for? Makes me wonder if that does something else. Like, could you put like a safety pin or something in there? I wonder. Big old steel, definitely steel liners, I'm sure. Yep, steel backspacer, steel. It's all steel, yeah. I mean, so this guy, if I remember correctly, it's like low 100s. So we'll have to have a link for it. It is definitely interesting. I gotta be honest with you, it is definitely really interesting. I don't know what to say. So here, I don't know if I can get a full screenshot of this thing here, but there we go. This thing is huge. This thing is massively huge. I mean, this is a 2-hand. I can get full 2 hands on this thing, and I've got large hands. So, I mean, you could chop things with it. Now, I don't know how secure that lock is. I really, really want to. Part of me wants to take this thing apart. It looks like it's spring loaded. I just don't know how secure that is in there. So it rides on there, and then it locks in there. And it's fully engaged in this right here. I do not know how solid that is or not. I really don't. No blade play this way. A little blade play here. I mean, it's huge. It's definitely huge. Well, I will tell you, it's rounded really nicely on the handles. No sharp spots anywhere. I'm very surprised. Big old glass breaker. I mean, you need something in the car to do whatever you got to do. Cut maybe a branch, chop a branch. I mean, I think this is it. You've got jimping here for sure. It is nice and rounded. Not super sharp on top. I love the swedge. Definitely meant to be a cutter. Nice stone wash blade. I mean, cage bearings is not bad. I honestly, when I heard about it, I thought, okay, well, let's take a look. I mean, it sounds very different. And guess what? It is very different. Very, very different. It's so different. I don't hate it. I can be completely honest with you. This tickles me. This tickles me. This is just really a fun, interesting knife. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie to you. I don't know what I think yet. This is my first impression. My first impressions are, dang, that's a big knife. I don't know about the locking mechanism. I got to think about this. See how tight this works. Maybe we'll even take it apart, look at the inside. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't think I can get this in my pocket. I don't think I have a pocket big enough I could fit this. I would need giant cargo pants or something. Man, 13 ounces. It's almost just shy of 13 ounces. Wow, that's a lot of steel. That is a lot of steel. Whew. Eclipse knives. Man, and this is the 180.9? What is it? That model, EK model 180. EK model 180 or A180. Yeah, that is something else. Now, if that's not exactly the name, of course I'll probably post it up there. If not, there'll be a link for it down below. But very, very interesting. I'll be straight up. It's very interesting. All right, we'll do a review because I don't even know what to think about this yet. So it's definitely interesting. All right, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content, part of the channel. I appreciate you so very much. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other interesting videos. And a big shout out to all my channel members. I appreciate you out there. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel, supporting me. You know, I do this part-time, so your support is huge. And your generous support through your memberships is critical. It really allows me to do so many things before I ever thought I could. For instance, like once a week budget banger giveaway. It's a lot to do with you guys. The fact that I can check out knives, cover the shipping is huge help to you from you guys. Recently, we did the 9K giveaway, $200 in shipping. Wow, thank you guys, thank you. So yeah, you guys are huge, and I appreciate that. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Some of you guys have been members since the very beginning. Some of you guys just became members recently. Appreciate every one of you guys. I really do. It's a small way for me to say thank you to the channel members. I do 2 exclusive things for channel members. One, I'd love to send all brand new channel members a channel sticker and a thank you note. I really do believe in that. I still write those notes and send you the channel sticker. Secondly, you're eligible for the members exclusive giveaway each month. So we'll have a once a week budget banger giveaway, and then 1 week in a month, there'll be a members exclusive giveaway. So members are eligible to both. Theoretically, members could win both, right? One member could win 2 giveaways on one night. And I try to make the members giveaway not just a budget banger, something interesting, fun, definitely over $100, something you would enjoy. This would definitely qualify, I think. It's so unique. It would be fun. Anyways, yeah. Wow. Okay. So, I'm be holding on to this for a while just because this is going to be some incredible videos. All right. So, totally distracted by this knife. It is. I gotta keep it open here. We got to have it open so you can see how big this thing is. So, yeah, thank you, channel members. If that sounds interesting to you guys, you think, hey, I'd like to become a channel member because I like the idea of the sticker, I like the idea of the giveaway. Hey, I also like the idea of the emojis and all the other exclusive content. There's a link down below in the description. I'd love to have you. 3 different tiers, low, medium, and high. But please, don't ever feel obligated to be a member. Do it because you want to. I genuinely mean that. But if you do decide to become a member, I'm humbled, I'm grateful. Thank you. Sincerely, thank you. And thank you to everyone out there who watches the video as part of the channel, part of the community. I appreciate you, every one of you guys out there. Thank you. All right, if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.